Amber is an amazing health aide. She's been at our school, this is her second year, and she does everything. You think about a health aide as seeing students when they come to the nurse's office. Well, she does way above and beyond that. She copies papers, she laminates, she delivers things to classrooms, she does all of our COVID tracing and documentation. She's been a lifesaver for me and for all the teachers and staff. She is great with parents. She calls parents when students are injured on the playground or at PE. She calls them when classes have had to be closed down due to COVID, and everyone is so receptive to her because she's kind and loving. But the best thing about Amber is she has relationships with every student in this building. Even though she is a support staff, she is as important in our school as anyone else in this building. We look at it as each person is as important as the next, and she contributes greatly to Highland Park. We are so proud of her, and she is so good at what she does. She deserves this as much as anybody else in this district.